This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
If you have a photography business or a full-time job and a photography business, I made this video specifically for you. Now, we live in this hustle grind culture where you're supposed to just work, hustle to build your brand. And that's what I've been doing these past 2 years. I've been busting my butt, getting almost 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. But at what expense? At the expense of my health. I might look skinny to you right now, but I am not very healthy. I have sacrificed my health these past 2 years, hustling and grinding, like Gary Vee says, right? Go all in your business. That's what I did. But I made the mistake of just forgetting about myself and taking care of myself. If you could tell you exactly what's been going on.
For the last few years, you've just been focused on working, and now it's finally taking a toll on you. How many times have you been to the doctor in the last few months?
I think you're more like LeBron James. Just trying to make you happy.
Yep, I always say I'm in the prime of my life. I always joke around, but I can't even joke around like that anymore. I'm full of aches and pains now. Back hurting, this is hurting, legs hurting. I'm full of problems. And that's because I haven't been taking care of myself. Now, it's funny because I used to be just a workout-holic. But now that I'm doing my business thing, I kind of forgot about that. Diana's actually the one working out now, and she's kind of inspiring me to get back into it and focus more on myself. And I think that for people out there, this is gonna resonate with you because it isn't easy to have a business and a full-time job or just a photography business, doing the marketing, the marketing, the promotion, the actual photo shoots, bookkeeping, while maintaining a family, if you have a family or not. Like, this is not easy to do, but I urge you, don't forget about your health and yourself, focusing on yourself. Save an hour a day to work out, take care of yourself. You feel so much better after that workout. Now, when I would work out, I'd think about all the things that I have to do at home. I think about all the work and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just go home instead of just stressing on my body for no reason. You cannot think like that. You have to be able to just put everything on pause and just focus on yourself. Trust me, in these past 2 years, I feel like I've aged 10 years. At this point, this is the turning point. I have to take accountability for my health and start eating healthier, for sure.
For sure, I agree with you. You know, one of his problems is that he says that he doesn't have time to go work out because he has to do this, he has to do that, and for him, he just wants to see those results because he used to be all big and like. I used to be kind of swole, like 25 pounds results, more than now. I keep telling him, I see it every day. I see it. I work in a hospital. I see it all the time. You will pay for it later if you don't take care of yourself now. You have to stop looking at how big you're getting, your muscles are getting. You have to stop looking at how much weight you're dropping because at the end of the day, working out, it's not to benefit how you physically look. It's to benefit you internally, your health.
Yeah.
See it every day.
And even your mental health. It's gonna definitely help with your mental health. And this is one of the reasons why we took this vacation, actually, because I just need to unwind a little bit. Although I'm still creating content, it's still like a chill spot just for me and her, just spend me and her time and just unwind, you know, a little bit and take a little break from the craziness of our house and everything that goes along with it. So, yeah.
We actually missed the craziness.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to get back. It's funny. I know. So I hope this message resonated with you out there. And if you need to make a change, you already know it. But maybe this is that nudge to make that change because I know I am. I'm making the change.
So we're going to hold Manny accountable now, right? We're going to hold him accountable for everything, right? So on every video, I need somebody. Okay, I need a buddy here because every time I try to do it, I'm the nagging wife, okay? I need somebody to be like, hey, what did you eat today? Did you go to Franksville around the corner and get another hot dog?
They're gonna do that. I'm gonna get. Oh
my
god.
Yep. Hold them accountable.
Now they're gonna be the nagging subscribers.
That's right. Be the nagging subscribers. I don't want to be alone here. All right, guys.
Whatever.
Let's work on this together. Si se puede.
It's cool. All right. I'll deal with it. But anyways.
Accountability. It's all about that.
Yeah.
It's not about. Are you dancing to the music?
Yeah.
From the boat out there. There's a boat playing. Go ahead. Show 'em. Oh. You're so stupid. Okay, enough. Cut.
All right, everybody. Hopefully this message resonated with you and get out there. Take care of yourself. Later. Remember what I was saying about mental health? Well, this is a great way to refresh yourself.
Okay, Baywatch, watch out now. Watch. What?
All right, before I go, I want to send a shout out to my sponsor, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a website, blog, or an online store, make sure to check out Squarespace. I have a website with them, I have an online store with them, and it just makes everything so easy. The templates are beautiful. You can change them at a click of a button. You don't gotta do any kind of magic work with websites. It's so easy to use. If you use the coupon code Manny, you will get 10% off your first purchase. So link will be down below to check that out. I'll see you in the next one.